Good morning. Let us continue with accounting tutorials explaining the concept. We looked yesterday at the users of financial statement, and we said the users are the managers of the company, the shareholders of the company, the trade contacts, providers of finance to the company, taxation authority, employees of the company, financial analysts, advisors, government and their agency, and the public. So we want to see the justification why each one of them need financial information. So when we come to the manager, we say the managers of the company need the most important information. Why do they need? They need it to help them make their planning and control decision. They obviously have the special access to the information about the business because they are able to demand whatever internally produced statement they require. The manager wants a large amount of information about the cost and profitability of the individual products or different parts of their business. They can obtain it through a system of cost and management accounting. Remember, these are the people who drives the day-to-day operations of the business, depending on the types of business, whether a product producing company or a service producing company. They need the information for decision making. They need the information for daily operations, and they need absolute information, not just part of the information. Information pertaining expenses, information pertaining income, information pertaining profit, and the challenges where the raw materials are got, the processes of making the raw material, turning into goods, and marketing, etc. Legal issues, they need all those. So there's a reason why managers need financial information. It's also good to note that in addition to the management information, financial statements are prepared, perhaps published by the for the benefit of other users which may demand certain information. The national law of the country may provide the provision of some accounting information by the shareholders and the public. The National Taxation Authority will receive the information they need for tax assessment. So we are trying to say that the lawmakers need the information in order to amend their laws, in order to regulate it. When it comes to the taxation of, how can the tax authority levy tax on a company when they don't know the profitability, they don't know the expenses, and they don't know the challenge? So they need that information. The bankers, their main aim is they look at the cash flow on a daily basis or per period. How much does the company produce? And shall the company be able to pay their money back when they get loan? Or can they rely on the company cash inflow, say like daily banking? You see, the International Accounting Standard Board is responsible for issuing international financial reporting standard. Those requires companies to publish certain additional information. Accountants, as members of the professional bodies, are placed under a strong obligation to ensure that company financial statements conform to the requirement of International Accounting Standard Board. That is very clear. Some companies provide voluntarily as specially prepared financial information issue there So you'll find the International Accounting Standard Board issued directives and issued standard under which accountants or companies have to, or directors have to prepare their books. Let's come and look at the government. They are charged with government of the company and responsible for preparation of financial statement. These are people, the group or section or unit of management. They are concerned with or responsible for